I'm Karen Egan from the Illinois State Library, and I'm here with Team Spectra.
I'm J.B. Mott from the Illinois State Library.
I'm Megan Harmon from the Chatham Area Public Library.
I'm Marcus Birch from the Illinois State Library.
I'm Natalie DeJong from the Reaching Across Illinois Library System.
And I'm Matthew Henninger from the Illinois State Library.
Great. Where will you go from here with your project?
From here, what we would like to do is get the kits into the hands of some people to test it out and really get some feedback from them to see what we need to improve on, what we need to change, what we need to modify, and hopefully make them more usable for the audience that we're trying to target.
What did you want your project to achieve, and did you succeed?
So our main goal was to provide an entry point for libraries to better serve their patrons who are on the autism spectrum disorder. And the kits are designed to make it easy for libraries to start providing tools and to make the library a more welcoming place. And I think we've succeeded pretty well. We presented a poster session at the Library State of Mind conference, and we got a lot of very positive feedback. A lot of libraries were very excited and wanted to volunteer to beta test. And a number of people commented that they thought it was a really great idea and definitely an area where there was a lot of need. And they were looking forward to being able to beta test and then hopefully circulate the kits.
Do you think your project can be used by any library, anywhere?
That was something that was really important to us as we thought about how we were going to create our kits and the technology that we put inside. We were looking at offering things that were both expensive, important, and yet attainable, something that people would be maybe afraid to purchase by a library without trying it out first. So these kits are a way, like for example, we have some heavy-hitting software in there like WordMaker and Proloquo to go. That might not be something that a library would be able to just go out and buy, but we are letting them sample that in a way. And in thinking about libraries being able to use these, we thought a lot about rural libraries because we had a whole conversation about whether or not we should put a camera in the kit because we wanted people to be able to make social stories for libraries. So we had a whole conversation about, well, I have a camera in my pocket. Do we really need to put one in? But we wanted to make sure that we were giving like an all-encompassing kit that you could just hand to somebody and they could take it and make something great.
Great. With the benefit of hindsight, what would you change about your original concept?
Originally, we really wanted to do two kits, one that focused on the beginner materials, making social stories, and then a second one that focused on social robotics. And we found this robot that looked really great. It's called Bromibo, and we had a lot of trouble getting him in. It was just taking way too long. And with the benefit of hindsight, I think that we all would agree that we would have decided much earlier on to cancel that order so that we could move on with the rest of our project instead of being stuck in limbo, seeing if we were going to get this robot or not.
Okay. What were your top 3 resources?
Our top 3 resources were the results from our survey, our community reps, and the Autism Forum.
Great. Is there anything else you'd like to add about your project?
It was a really great experience being able to participate in iLead You.
And I think we just hope that people are able to use it and build great resources for their library to help people that are on the autism spectrum order use the library more efficiently.
Great. Okay, thank you.